Good morning, brethren. From Belleville, Ontario, Canada, I am Brother Lauro Benedicto Manawis. Brethren call me Larry. My mother lads is Bantugan 223 in Cotabato City, Philippines, under the most worshipful Grand Lads of Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines. I am also an affiliate member of Grenville Lads, Ancient Free and Accepted Masons number 629 GRC in the Grand Lads of Canada in the province of Ontario. I want to greet the One Mason of Toronto for their 11th year founding anniversary. To the members of One Mason, whethersoever dispersed, happy 11th anniversary. Mabuhay kayo.